comes into your life, it's asking you to work with the following energies: friendship, protection, discerning, playful, loyal, reliable, obedient, vocal, brave, constant, love. Today, I will love without condition. My energy and enthusiasm are an inspiration. I choose to be happy. I am a protector and friend. When we think of the word dark, it is often followed by the term best friend. Dark people are some of the best companions any of us can have. Those with dark as totem have a tremendous capacity to love. Dark people are often found helping others and serving humanity. They have an uncanny ability to know the character of others, sniff out problems, and sense the truth. Dogs have acute hearing. This gift helps alert others to impending danger. If dog is your totem, you are a protector, friend, and playmate. When you don't like someone, you are very vocal about it. You easily forgive the shortcomings of the human family. You are brave in the face of danger. Dog people have a very kind and loyal nature that can be taken advantage of. Watch out for this, and remember to love and protect yourself as well. With dog as totem, you may be drawn to a life of service and will be devoted to your friends and your worthy mission. Questions for you to reflect upon. Have you forgotten to be your own best friend and take care of yourself? Are others taking advantage of your